Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Have you been to a Chinese restaurant and when you open the menu for dessert, it would have an item that say lychee nuts? And if you have eaten it, it's actually very sweet. And you may not have seen it because lychee is something that is only available in the southern part of China because lychee actually doesn't really like cold winters. So it is not available in area that is snow. I'm now living in Florida, so I actually have access to lychee in the supermarket. So I think the other day I was thinking, maybe it's a good idea to paint them. And besides, the word Ningnan, as in Ningnan School of Art, it actually means south of the range or south of the mountain. And lychee has a nickname of the the grapefruit of the south of the mountain. So you can imagine, in the subtropical and tropical area of China, they really, really like this kind of fruit. So in these compositions, what we are going to do is not only talk about how to paint the fruit, how to also work on how to paint the leaves, and of course connect them with branches. But then what I also want to cover in this workshop is also composition. For example, we usually do not paint one or two in a artwork. What we would usually like to do is at least make it into a bunch. And then if you have a bigger compositions, make it into, like a whole composition on a branch of a tree, and then we'll add bird to it. And so in this workshop, not only will I talk about how to paint the different parts of the lychee, but I also want to talk about how are we going to do it in layers. And then while we adjust the composition according to what we lay down. So I think this will be a very interesting workshop for beginners and intermediate and advanced students of brush painting as well. So I hope to see you in the lychee workshop. On top of that, we will have it around the Lunar New Year, and I wish by painting the lychee nuts, also wish everybody a bountiful and a prosperous new year. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the workshop.